Welcome to 7-Pot Club. I'm Rob.
I grow hot peppers.
What a difference a week makes. It's now a little over 5 weeks since we planted our seeds. Last week we started transplanting the seedlings into 3-inch pots. We've been potting every day and now we have 10 trays completed. 18 in each tray, so that's a total of 180 so far. And they're all looking healthy and perky. I've been dragging due to the switch to daylight savings time, so I wish I felt as good as these plants are looking. Now, here's the simple trick I promised. It may be something you're already doing, but I grew seedlings indoors for years before it dawned on me. No matter what type of lighting you have, natural or artificial, LED or fluorescent, it's unlikely that every plant is getting the same amount of light. The solution is incredibly simple. Move and rotate the trays daily so that over time each tray will occupy each position and be evenly illuminated. I need to check daily anyway to see which plants may need watering, so this only adds a minute or two to my day. Here's how I do it. First, I put on these sunglasses to protect my eyes from the intense light. Then I take the farthest tray to the right and put it aside. Then I move all the other trays one position to the right, rotating them 180 degrees as I do so. Finally, I take the remaining tray and put it in the first position. No special technique here, it's just as quick and easy as it sounds. And done! Now here's a bonus tip for stronger seedlings. Use an electric fan to simulate wind. You don't need to leave the fan on all the time, but if you do this for a few hours several times a week, it will toughen up the stems. Plus, the increased air circulation will discourage mold and fungus. The goal is to create a gentle breeze, so keep the fan several feet away from the plants, or point the fan at the wall and let the breeze reflect back on the plants. That's it for this episode. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And please subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our weekly videos. We've got something special in mind for next week, so I hope that you'll tune in and take a look. For 7-Pot Club, I'm Rob. Alexa, turn on Grow.